I would say it's a nice, flat, calm day. Yeah, and the entire New England population of seagulls has left the McDonald's dumpsters and came out.
Oh my god, dude. As I was rolling it up, there was a bass on it.
Oh!
Dude, he just swam away. Oh, I literally saw him at the last second.
Yo, they're jumping.
Holy crap! Ah!
Probably another schoolie we got right here. Nice little schoolie right here. Throw her back. Oh, they're going crazy right here. Nice. Yeah. There's so many beneath the boat right now. This guy, he's covered in those sea lice. It's kind of crazy. But yeah, here we go. 58 feet of water. Send her back. Hi Mom, what's up? Here, they're jumping like right here. Oh my God, they're right there. Oh yeah, we're doubled up. We're doubled up. It's in neutral. Oh my. Alright. Oh, the fish are going crazy on the fish finder right now.
Come here.
Hey.
Look, relax. Hey. Oh shit.
No, it wasn't. It wasn't. Oh, this is a huge bluefish. Look at this. We were looking for dinner, I mean.